Hello viewers, welcome back to LeadsFlex. In this video we are going to learn Google Ad conversion tracking in a GoHighLevel. It's super easy. So first of all we need to design our landing page, and after that we need to integrate with domain. So let's dive into GoHighLevel. For example, we have this funnel. We need to integrate this funnel with domain. It should be a subdomain or root domain, it's up to you. I have already integrated with domain. I just copy this domain and go to Google Ad account. So here we have new interface. You can, if you want to change, you can make it's just refresh. It will be converted into older interface. So we need to click on a goal section, and also here we are going to track our conversions. So go to summary, and here what we can say, conversion, create conversion action. So I just click on it. And first of all I need to add my domain that we are going to use for tracking. I just add this domain. It will be scanned. It will take few seconds. Okay, it says it's not found Google ad tag, so I already have this thing, but I will skip for now and I will go to the next step. In the next step what we are going to conversions on calls. I don't want this one. I don't want this one as well. So it's just click on the next. What would be the actions you want to track your conversion? So I want, for example, I'm going to track if someone book appointment or someone submit lead form. Just I will say that if submit lead form, we are going to track, and we are set up book appointment as well. It is our two account sort setup. Yeah, that's the two. I will say that preload start, and it will be contain the exact URL, and I'm just click on the next one. Here we have two options. Either we can do with the Google tag, we can do with the Google Webmaster and use even Google Tag Manager. So right now I'm going to set up with Google Tag. Just click on it. It will be appear here. You need to just copy the Google Tag Manager, Google Tags, and go to back funnel and funnel setting, and go to the setting here, and here we can put ad tracking code, and here just I save it, and I will go back to the ad again, and I will just test installation. So this installation is done. So what we need to do, we need to just verify our domain again here. Our domain is this one. I just check the website. We're not going to use anything from here, and it's also optional. We are not going to do. Let's just say, for example, we will go with this one and just get next. And if you have any third party or cookie platforms, you can select from here, but I don't have. I have GoHighLevel, so it's already set up here, so I just dismiss it and I will cancel it. And yeah, that's the ad conversion is done. Refresh it. So we need to check. Google Tag Manager is already installed. We need to check. Go back. And here we have one tracking. Here we have one tracking for the website book appointment, and other is outbound link. But right now I have just one goal here. It's you see no recent conversions here. We can go to this website and we can book appointment. Then it will be show one conversion here. So that's it, how easily you can add your Google Ads tracking in your GoHighLevel. It's super easy. In the next video I will how you can make workflows and automations with Google Ad tracking. Thank you so much for watching this video.